Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support. In today's video, I'm going to show you what is the problem if you try to create a help desk ticket and actually it is not happening. Okay, so firstly, to show you the problem, I go to my help desk project that is on our server demo.redmineup.com. So if you wish, you could do it anytime for free. Okay, so I go to the issues. So this is the help desk tickets. And if I try to create a help desk ticket, then it is not happening. So this is just a normal Redmine issue, and I cannot create a help desk ticket. Okay, so there are three solutions for this problem. The first solution, and it is less recommended, is to manually change the tracker here. So this is the cause of the problem. The tracker here is not the correct one. So if you would like to check which is the help desk tracker, you have to go to the settings of this project here, and then go to the help desk tab, and here you will find the ticket tracker. So in our case, this is the support tracker. When you create a new ticket, it is creating by default a tracker task. So that's why it is not a help desk ticket. So as I said, the first solution is to just select manually the correct tracker. So I click on support tracker and it automatically puts the help desk contact here as well as ticket date, ticket source, SNS, and so on. Okay, so the second solution for you is to make the support tracker selected by default. So to not be a task tracker, but to be a support tracker by default. So if you'd like to do it, you have to go to administration that is located here in the top right corner. So you have to click just here, and then you will see trackers. So these are the options for the trackers. And you see the full list here, and the task is on the very top. So this means that the task tracker is automatically selected when you create a new ticket. So if you'd like to change this behavior, you see the support is at the bottom. So I have to click on the moving and sorting button here. So you just click with the mouse and drag and drop it on the top. So this is it. There is no need to save it because it is automatically saved. You just drag and drop it and that's it. It is on the top now and it is the expected behavior for us. Okay, so we go back to the tickets and create a new one. And we see the help desk ticket is now created automatically because the tracker is automatically selected to be support. So yeah, this was the second solution for you. And the third solution is, it is more, how to say, radical, but it is, of course, in accordance with your needs. You could pick it if you like. Yeah, if we return back, for example, user story to be the first on and top tracker, and yeah, if we try to create a new ticket, yeah, sorry, it was not actually refreshed. If we refresh and try to create a new ticket, it is again. Um, maybe user story is not consistent into this project. So user story is located in another project, and that's why it picks automatically the second, which is support, and that's why it is again selecting the support. But if we return back the bug or the task, so we have to be sure, we put the task again here, and if we try to create a new ticket, again it is not a help desk ticket. Okay, so the third solution for you, uh, you have to go to again to the project settings and then help desk, and if we click on the ticket tracker, we see that there is an option all. So also there is an option none. So this means that no matter which tracker is selected, then there will be no help desk ticket for all time. So yeah, this is not a good solution for you. So we pick the all option. So this means that no matter which tracker is selected, then it automatically picks a help desk ticket. So all trackers are help desk tickets. That's it. So we click on save and return back to the tickets, just refresh and create a new ticket. So we see that it is tracker task and it is help desk ticket with help desk contact. Okay, this is because all trackers are now help desk tickets. Okay, so here we put, for example, the bug tracker on the top. So we go again to the list here, refresh and create a new ticket. So we see the tracker bug, and again, it is a help desk ticket because all trackers are help desk tickets. So this solution is actually making 1% sure, 100% sure that every time, no matter what is going to happen, it is going to be a help desk ticket. So even after the world ends, it will again be a help desk ticket. Okay? All right, so these were the three solutions for making a new ticket, help desk ticket, when creating a Redmine issue. So I hope it was helpful for you, and if you like it, you could check other videos and articles from RedmineUP. Don't forget to thumb up and subscribe to our channel, and yeah, pick some other videos if you wish, if you're interested, check articles on our site, and so on. So thanks again, and bye bye.